I'm Amy from Energy Decisions Limited, and I'm here today with our client Chris, who has just recently had the EP Cube installed. And I've asked Chris if he'd answer a couple of questions regarding the products and the services we provided. So Chris, why did you decide to invest in solar and a battery storage system?
Well, a number of reasons. Obviously, everybody's conscious of energy prices. Everybody's conscious increasingly of the climate issues that we're facing. We've just recently moved into this property, which is a good energy efficiency rating with an air source heat pump, but there was more we could do. And having had solar before, but not batteries before, it was the logical opportunity now to take the battery investment with us. And we've got a pretty decent roof, nice array of solar panels, and the battery is proving to be incredibly useful.
Overall, how satisfied were you with the EP Cube system and services provided?
To date, and it's obviously still quite early, we've been thrilled. The system itself is very neat, compact, it's modular, which means we can add additional batteries to it at any point in time. And as I say, the efficiency seems to be very, very high. And the installation, frankly, it was nice that it was in a separate building, so we didn't have a lot of disruption into the main house. But actually the erection of the panels and the installation of the battery caused us little disruption and went very, very well.
Would you recommend the EP Cube system to anybody else, and if so, why?
Yeah, it's obviously the first battery system we've had, and talking to Roberts particularly as we were looking for a supplier and a solution, we were thrilled to be able to be one of the early adopters of the EP Cube in the UK. And again, I think the same principles apply. It's an efficient system, it's a modular system, it's a very neat system. And actually, the added benefit of the app is that it's very intuitive as well.
Yes, it's a very nice design.
Yes.
I like it a lot.
Yeah, a lot of people comment on how aesthetically pleasing it is, so.
Yes,
even though it's in a garage.
Yes. Is there anything else you wish you knew before you started this process?
No, I'd done quite a bit of research, and obviously we invited a few firms to come and have a look at the property, and actually comparing and contrasting 2 or 3 different firms was very helpful. I think with this sort of purchase, which is a capital expenditure, you ultimately want to trust the people that you're working with. And I have to say Energy Decisions have been very helpful right through the process, from the initial survey effectively through to completion of the installation. And I went, frankly, on gut instinct that these were the right people to do business with. And as I say, the system is working exactly as we hoped it would.
Well, thank you very much, Chris.
Pleasure. So here's the installation. As you can see, a modular design, and we have a 13.3 kilowatt hour system currently for the battery. We have capacity to extend that with another 1 or 2 units. And again, obviously, because it's in a garage, the cabling and everything is less important to us, but still a neat and tidy job.
Oh, that's fantastic. And you're thinking about expanding the system?
We're going to take a look over the next few months, and just to see what, how the system operates. We're obviously in summer at the moment, if you can call this a summer, and we want to see how the autumn trends, I think. But knowing that we can add the units, yeah, exactly, we can add the units when we think it's appropriate, and we've done the efficiencies.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Great pleasure.